Hey, good morning, friends. Jeff here from Bygone with this unbelievable 94 F150 low-mile Survivor pickup truck. If this is your first video that you're viewing, this is a short bed two-wheel drive. This is going to be an undercarriage video. I don't do a lot of undercarriage videos, but the spectacular time capsule that this truck is warrants a peek underneath. And so we're just going to start over here on the passenger side and note the phenomenal condition of the original exhaust tailpipe here. As we go over the leaf spring, look at that hanger plating up against the frame there. Rear hangers are unbelievable. Even things like this, look at the bottoms. Look at the bottom of the bumper. Some of my friends make fun of me for saying this, but this truck is stupid clean. It's stupid clean. So many original tags and marks are still on here. The original spare still hangs underneath. Let's go ahead, let's get under here and take a look. Backing plates that look nearly new. We've got an original tag here on the rear axle. Look at these original brake lines. Another tag over here. Coming out of Corinth, Mississippi, this truck was not undercoated, which is awesome because it really shows off its unbelievable condition. Go up in to the wheel well here and the floors. It really does show new. It shows like new. Take a look here on the driver's side, going up over by the fuel tanks. All those original clamps look dynamite. Everything is spectacular. Let's go into the inside of the frame. You can see the fuel lines. Again, full of tags. Before we head up front, I did want to mention that although the rest of the exhaust is stock, an aftermarket muffler was installed. As you can see in the other videos, it's got a really nice mild tone to it. She snorts pretty good when you give her, as you heard in the video, but at highway speeds, the truck is nice and quiet, really nice and quiet. See a little dampness here on the transmission pan? Truck does drip just a little. She leaks a little oil. Oh, okay. So here, this is where the truck has been sitting. And for reference, here's my index finger. I would say that's probably, an inch and a half or so. And that's over the course of a couple weeks. But just keep that in mind. So we move into the front suspension area. Again, because I'm a freak, look at those original tags on the springs, still intact. It's ridiculous. Motorcraft oil filter in place. Lower air dam. In just spectacular condition. Go around here, let me scoot over. Oh, oofda. Coming around to the front of the I-beam suspension there and the tie rod ends. Look at the paint dabs. I know people are gonna be like, well, you're talking about this truck like it's a 60s muscle car. Well, go find one. Go find another truck that looks like this, that has this stuff. It's so cool to see how Ford was marking things back in the day. Again, if you want bragging rights, if you want to be able to say to your buddies, hey, take a peek underneath my truck, this is the one. Yeah, I was talking a little bit earlier about looking at the bottoms of the bumpers on the rear. Look at the bottom of the front bumper. Opportunity just to see the rocker panels. Oh, the pinch welds look great. The Dunn driveway though was gravel, so you do have a couple chips here. Catch them. But again, coming over to the driver's side, as we pointed out in another video, we've got this ding here. I didn't notice this. I had the PDR guy pull that. Ladies and gentlemen, it is such an honor to be able to present this pickup truck, this piece of Ford F-Series history, and in this condition, because it truly is. It's absolutely spectacular. If you do have any questions or you have some interest in purchasing this pickup truck, by all means, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to help. Again, my name is Jeff from Bygone here in Mazomanie, Wisconsin, out in the driftless area of this gorgeous state. Thanks so much. Have a great day.